All right, guys, let's talk for a minute, okay? So lately, I've been getting really excited about the show. If you guys have any special recipes you want me to try on the show, you can email me, cookingwithjack.com. You can go on social media, join me on Facebook, do whatever. But get in touch with me and we'll chat. So I got some great stuff coming up. I'm pumped. We're doing more Lazy Man. We're doing more playing with your food. All the videos that you like, we're going to be doing more of. So I feel another burst of energy coming to the Cooking with Jack show. I'm pretty excited about some of the things I have lined up. This is a pretty much Lazy Man recipe. There's two types of Lazy Man recipes. There's simple ingredients, just a few ingredients thrown together with some seasoning. That's easy. That's lazy. A lazy man is when you get home from work, you've been working all day, and it only takes you about 5 minutes to get it thrown together and just let it cook. Another lazy man recipe is when you take a hard recipe and make it simpler. Okay, you use a frozen item that's already put together, like a stir fry mix, things that can help cut the corners and make it easier for you to do the recipe. So those are kind of my lazy man recipe type ideas. Just easy meals, simple ingredients, great flavors. So today I consider it a lazy man green beans. I like it. It's got a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and I'm going to show you in just a minute. But let's get this one going on. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit subscribe. Every so often you might see a video that you like on my show. It'll let you know. Hit that notification bell so that it can notify you when my videos come out, all right? All right, let's get this thing started. Here is a bag of, Tammy was so sweet. So what she did was she cut the ends off the green beans, the little stem part. She trimmed them, and then she put them back in this bag for me. How nice is that? I have the best wife in the world. And then we're gonna use a little mozzarella, a little olive oil, a little parmesan over here. Got some minced garlic in here, got some salt here, got pepper here. That's about it, guys. So let's go get our cookie sheet out. You can either spray it or put down a silicone liner on it, and then meet me back here and we'll throw it all together. There's a few ways that you can put this all together. You can throw it all in one bowl and toss it, or you can put it in the bowl, oil it and toss it, then lay it on the cookie sheet and then season it. All right, guys, there's the bowl. I love this bowl. This is normally my trash bowl. You know how Rachel Ray takes her trash items like the onion peels and the wrappers and throws them in here. This is the bowl I normally use for my trash, but it's all cleaned out. I'm gonna use it for tossing because it's the perfect size. I'm gonna pour all my green beans in here. This is gonna be stupid easy, guys. All right, get our little bit of olive oil. There we go, go ahead and mix it up. Take a little pepper, toss it in there. A little minced garlic. Lots of minced garlic. There we go. Love me some garlic. Love me pepper. It's up to you how much salt you want to use. I'm just going to use enough to just give it some flavor. There we go. And then take your hand and I'm tossing it again because I want all sides of the green beans to have that lovely flavor. And go ahead and pour these out. You probably have to get your hand dirty one more time. You want to spread these out. All right, grab your Parmesan cheese, open that up. You can just sprinkle it all over. Last but not least, this is gonna be super easy. Oh, I forgot to preheat the oven. Let me go preheat it real quick. 425, preheat it right now. Now I'm using regular oven temperatures, not convection oven. because that cooks a lot faster. And take your mozzarella cheese and cook the whole thing. That's it. Look at that. It's super easy. That's a lazy man recipe right there. That's something I'll do again, and that took all of 5 minutes. Not even. Make sure you got areas covered. Don't neglect the edges. There you go. Nice. They smell great. They smell cheesy, garlicky. All right, guys. So this is going to go alongside our protein tonight for dinner. But let's just grab a sample and look at the steam come off that. Lots of seasoning, dripping with juice. These are fresh green beans. You don't have to use fresh, but I recommend you can go fresh if you're okay with it. Let's give it a try. Garlic, pepper, salt. Yep. You can taste it all. This is a nice little change. I'm going to let this cool off, then I'll put it in a container for tonight. This came out really good, guys. I think you're really going to enjoy this for a side dish, all right? So there you go. It's kind of your lazy man garlic, cheese, green beans. That's what I call it. It's really good, though, honestly. The oil, a little bit of oil. It's not too heavy. Just lightly oil it. Just enough to make the seasoning stick. And remember, I showed it to you first, all right? I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.